Welcome to Dcubed. Located in Germany amidst the breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture of Bavaria, we surround ourselves with an environment that inspires creativity and fosters innovation. We specialize in the development of deployables and solar arrays that are essential for successful space missions. Our release actuators, including pin pullers and release nuts, have proven their reliability and ease of use time and again. Our grand vision: to do big things in space.
2, 1, 0.
We work together, we celebrate together. Our goal is to enable and empower space industry professionals to achieve extraordinary feats in space. Our passion for space exploration knows no bounds, and we are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We believe that accessing and utilizing space technology should be easy and straightforward. We use patented shape memory technology and proprietary origami mechanical structures to improve space technology in terms of cost, mass, volume, reliability, durability, reusability, and deliverability. With short lead times, our products are readily available to support your missions. They are also field resettable, allowing for repeated usage of up to a few hundred times. Flexibility and efficiency are crucial in the demanding field of space exploration. From space selfie sticks capturing awe-inspiring moments in zero gravity to solar arrays, radiators and antennas optimizing performance in space, our products are designed to tackle the unique needs of global space customers. Dcubed's vision is at the forefront of in-space manufacturing, revolutionizing the way large structures are created directly in space, opening up new frontiers, reducing launch costs and increasing mission flexibility. Imagine a future where we construct habitats, infrastructure and even entire space stations in orbit, unlocking new possibilities for exploration and discovery. At Dcubed, we are building a future where space exploration knows no limits. We invite you to join us on this extraordinary journey. Whether you're a talented engineer, a visionary investor, or a space enthusiast ready to make a difference, there's a place for you on our team. Together, let's do big things in space and get to space faster, easier, and less expensively. Join us and be part of the next chapter in space exploration with Dcubed.